Good morning everyone, Eid Mubarak. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I have been sharing my adventures across Langkawi this month. You can find all the details in the Langkawi playlist if you are here to check out the Langkawi itinerary. Today, we have got an action-packed day ahead, starting right here at Eagle Square. Eagle Square is one of the Langkawi's most iconic landmarks. The majestic eagle statue is a symbol of the island and a must-visit spot for any traveler. It is a perfect place to start your day with some fantastic photo opportunities. The views here are stunning with the Andaman Sea as a backdrop. Next up, I'm heading for an adrenaline rush with a 1-hour jet ski package. Jet skiing experience in Langkawi is an absolute blast because this activity is such a thrill. This was my first time trying jet ski as well. The waters are crystal clear and the surrounding islands make for an unforgettable experience. Let's hit the waves. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced rider, this is an activity you don't want to miss. After an exciting morning, I have arrived at Splash Out, Langkawi's one and only water theme park. If you are taking your parents who are senior citizens, make sure to carry an ID card as well. You'll get a discount. I haven't visited a water theme park in ages, so I'm really looking forward to this. The best part? It's the weekend and there's hardly anyone here, only 4 families including us. Let's dive in and explore the rides. Splash Out offers a variety of water rides that cater to all level of thrill seekers. Just check the timings because not all rides are open all the time. Make sure to visit at least in a group of 4 to enter these rides, which are scary and fun with twists and turns that will leave you breathless. Splash Out is definitely a place you want to visit if you love water theme park. The rides were limited, I had a good time. The park is well maintained with so few people here. There are no queues at all. It feels like we have the whole place to ourselves. And for a more relaxing experience, the River of Life is a lazy river where you can just float along and soak up the sun. What an incredible day it has been. From the majestic Eagle Square to the thrill of jet skiing and ending with an absolute splash at Splash Out. A few tips for you. Make sure to bring sunglasses, a hat and plenty of sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. If you have missed my previous videos on the mangrove tour or the Dream Forest Langkawi, make sure to check out these videos. I have added full videos in the iCards above and in the description below. And stay tuned for my next adventure. It will be a full day trip to Oriental Village. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for joining me on this amazing day in Langkawi. If you have enjoyed this video, find this useful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, take care and happy travels.